Hello friend, do you ever feel lost in a sea of data while working in Excel? Let me show you a game-changing feature called Focus Cell, which will make your life so easier. You are wondering how can it make my life easier? Let's see. Suppose I have this database which is round off this into this number of rows, and if I want to know which order is cancelled, which person cancel, I just go there and find it's crash week unable to understand delivered, which one is delivered. Another way, we just use shift spacebar to select the row to understand this. We are talking about John, so it's very tough to understand for which row we are talking about, which order is shipped. I don't know, I have to use shift spacebar to understand that, but this can be resolved by using focus cell feature. Just go to the view tab, then click the focus cell. See, I get this very beautiful row and horizontal colored. Which cell is selected, it's all rows and horizontal are get selected, so that I know, like for the shipped item it's Krish gadget Y is delivered, and which one is cancelled, it is Krish William widget B is cancelled. So I can easily, when I am presenting or when I am working, I easily know for which row I am talking about. So what are the feature in this focus cell? If we want get out of it, just re-click focus cell, it get away. And you can also change the color of focus cell, like you can also change, if I want blue color, I can use that. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.